everyone, it's Marley from the Midland Public Library. Welcome to another Cooking with Kids recipe. In this video, I'm showing you how to make an easy one-pot, 30-minute meatless taco recipe, and it's super easy. Here's my friend Grace with a little bit more information.
I love these simple tacos. I can make them for my family in under 30 minutes.
So for this recipe, you're going to need a tablespoon of coconut oil, a tablespoon of maple syrup or brown sugar, some spices. I have 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. I have 2 teaspoons of soy sauce in this cup here, a 1/4 cup of water, and then 1 chopped onion and about 1 shredded carrot, or I just use some baby carrots. And then you're going to need either 1 can of lentils or 3/4 cups of cooked lentils, and I'll leave the directions for how to cook your lentils in the description.